start up this hummus recipe by grabbing our food processor and adding in 1/4 cup of tahini. Next, go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a spoon of minced garlic and oil, a couple tablespoons of water, salt as per your taste, and a tablespoon of crushed cumin. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this until it reaches a soft, smooth paste. We do this so that our overall hummus ends up being very nice and creamy. Next, you're going to go ahead and add in around 1.5 cups of soaked chickpeas. You should soak your chickpeas either overnight or up to 6 to 8 hours. Mix it on high for around 2 to 3 minutes. You can feel free to add in as much water as you feel is needed to get that smooth consistency. Feel free to open it up and check the spices and adjust according to your taste. You can add salt, pepper, paprika, lemon juice, or even coriander powder. Over here, we just added in a little bit of salt and pepper. And there you have it, a classic, creamy, and delicious hummus.
The next recipe we're going to do is a roasted bell pepper hummus. We're going to use the classic hummus as a base, then add bell peppers which have been roasted using an air fryer. You can also use a pan for this. Simply mix them together for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a roasted bell pepper hummus. The last recipe is going to be a mint and feta hummus. Once again, we're going to use classic hummus as a base and then add 1 bowl of mint, 1 bowl of feta. Simply mix them for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a refreshing mint and feta hummus.